home $2,085 for holding ticket number J47551. That's J47551. Bring that ticket immediately to the reception desk in the East Atrium to claim your prize. Now direct your attention to center ice. The outstanding service members you see here will be taking the oath of re-enlistment tonight. Military Appreciation Night at Avalanche Game. Thanks to the communities, families, friends, and all who have volunteered to serve their country and defend our freedom. It's now our honor to introduce Lieutenant Commander Chuck Webb, who will conduct this re-enlistment ceremony.
Good evening, Avs fans. Semper Paratus. One of the most precious resources our military has is our people. As an officer, it's one of our most honored duties to re-enlist our men and women. Gentlemen, do you understand why you're here tonight? Okay, if you could, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your full name. Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I bear true faith and allegiance to the same, and that I will obey the orders of the President of the United States and the orders of the officers appointed over me. According to regulations and the Uniform Code of Military Justice. So help me God. Congratulations.
Ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause for the outstanding service members before you.